is IKEA time.
Oh shit, in the cyclist.
They got hit?
Must do, yeah.
Oh yeah, there goes the bike. And they just kept driving?
I guess so.
I'll get it. Kind of pretty. Yeah, this is better than it could roll. Oh, this is heavy. Oh Lord. I can't tell you how I ended up all the way in Greenwich, but I allegedly got a bank holiday discount for this mattress I just bought, so that was nice. Got it from here. But I also got this plant. So, you know, we made moves today. We do well. Alrighty. Okay.